We have always commented on the importance of having a good and healthy diet, but few people take age into account when they consider their dieting. Did you know what you eat at 20 can hurt you at 30, 40, or 50? This does not happen by chance. The problem is that our digestion slows down over time. So in today's video, we're going to talk about diets and the correct eating habits for every age. From 20 to 30 years old, your metabolism is accelerated, which keeps people from gaining weight, even if they have an unhealthy diet, since the caloric expenditure is great. It is recommended that you consume white and lean meats rich in vitamin B12, which are essential for the metabolism of fat. Fiber will improve your bowel movements, so it's important to consume whole grains such as pumpkin seeds and brown rice. Amongst the vegetables and fruits are dark green leaves, beets, beans, oranges, and lemons, since vitamin C is excellent in iron absorption. From 30 to 40 years old, starting at the age of 30, your hormonal activity begins to decrease, and with it, your caloric expenditure as well. So it's more common to gain weight at this age. In this case, it is recommended that you eat fruits, vegetables, and leafy greens, since they are rich in fiber, which improves bowel movements. Passion fruit and core from the lettuce can help with stress, providing relaxation. And foods rich in omega-3s and 6, like flaxseed and sardines, help speed up the weight loss process. Another good tip is to include green tea to your diet since it improves digestion. Over 40 years, your body's hormonal production is very low, which affects your whole body and metabolism, which decreases even more. With this, you tend to lose muscle mass and gain abdominal fat. So be careful and keep your heart and bones healthy. That is why it is important to eat bananas, oranges, and tomatoes to gain muscle mass. Foods rich in fiber, especially soluble fiber, found in beans, peas, oats, apples, and citrus fruits are the best. Walnuts and nuts are great for slowing down the aging process. From this age on, you should avoid or reduce consumption of canned and processed foods, excessive salt, sweets and cookies, pasta, ice cream, foods with monosodium glutamate, and fast food. Over 50 years. At this stage, most people tend to start suffering from a cardiovascular disease. Women who are going through menopause should include foods with omega-3 and B-complex to their diet to reduce this risk. You can do this by eating fish, brewer's yeast, and flaxseed. At age 60. At this age, you start having a hard time chewing, so it's best to eat soft foods, full of nutrients, such as fruits and vegetables, rich in fiber and antioxidants. At this stage, it's also very important to drink plenty of water to avoid constipation due to the fibers present in your food. Did you enjoy these tips? Remember, no matter how old you are, it's always better to consume vitamins and minerals through a balanced diet. This will provide you with a healthy lifestyle to prepare you for the changes that will start happening in the next few years. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.